good time to give the house a once over. I'm going to strip the bed out, which I've just walked into. Hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to Christmas with Mr. Carrington. Today I'm going to be doing a clean with me. We need to clean the house basically. So before we get into the video, if you're new here, do click subscribe. I'm posting videos every week. Oh, that's a plant. It tripped me over. And throughout December, I'm uploading every day. I'm just making myself a little coffee. And I suggest you do the same, or maybe, when's this going up? 5 PM? Something festive. And we'll get cracking. I'm just doing that classic thing when you're about to start cleaning and you just take your time because you don't want to get started. So we can have a little coffee. I've got a bowl of porridge as well because you don't want to be doing cleaning on an empty stomach, let me tell you. In case things get serious later, I've got some snacks standing by. In a second I'll show you all the bits that I've bought. I've bought some new festive editions. I've also got some Greggs mince pies that I've already attacked, as you can see, but these are the emergency mince pies now. If you see me having one of those later on, you know things have got me. I've done that thing again where the porridge has gone like horse food. Hope you're all doing really well. It's now, I think we're on about 10 days until Christmas, probably less by the time you're watching this. So I think it's a good time to give the house a once over. And just before we get into this, just a little disclaimer. I don't really enjoy cleaning. I know a lot of people do, but I'll do it every now and then, like maybe once a year. And what was the other thing I was gonna say? Oh yeah, I used to actually clean my local pub when I was younger. So I am experienced in cleaning, but yeah, I still can't say I really enjoy it. I'll try and make it fun today though. Right, I'm gonna eat my porridge and then we'll get cracking. Okay, here's what we've got. I think this caddy was from IKEA, but I could be mistaken. We've got a helper. We've got the pink stuff. I've never used it. I thought we'd give it a go today. We've got Vical. Is that how you even say it? I don't know, but this is the best for getting rid of limescale I have found. We live in a hard water area. We live in a hard water area. This video is gonna be fun. We've got bathroom cleaner from M&S. I don't think I've tried that yet. I forgot I'd even bought that. Unused. Lime scale and grime remover from Lidl. Astonished kitchen cleaner in zesty lemon. We've got Domestos spray bleach. This stuff's good. This is from Lidl. This is glass cleaner. Did you hear my stomach rumble then? I've just had my porridge. And yeah, it's lemongrass and orange. This is just to make up Flora with water, and I picked up some Fabulosa in winter fig and Christmas tree. This is the festive range, in case you haven't guessed. I spied this hand wash, which I thought we'd introduce to the bathroom in cranberry and cinnamon. I got all this from Savers. Do you know Savers? It's a bit like Superdrug, but with other stuff like cleaning stuff, and it's really cheap. These were from Lidl. Washing up liquid in spiced orange and winter cherry. I've already used another one, forgot what it was. I think it might have been vanilla or something. This is 1001 Carpet Fresh in frosted winter berries. We have Febreze in cranberry, Febreze in vanilla latte, which is fabric freshener. This is like an air mist. And I've got some of these candles, which I think are quite good, by Glade. We've got Acoustic Spice, and we've got a Nutcracker Delight. We've got some Zoflora, limited edition, warm cinnamon, cranberry and orange, and festive fireside. What are you saying? I'm saying I need some more coffee. Okay, first things first, I'm gonna empty the bins. And I don't know if anyone else bad as me, but this is the situation. Ah! Anyone else? Is it just me that lets this happen? Right, we'll bleach that. In fact, while I've got this bag on the go, I'm going to run around the entire place and throw any other recycling or rubbish away. My favourite magazine, my desk bin. No idea how they got there, or them. Bathroom bin. Why is there a Malteser box in the bathroom bin? While we're upstairs, let's get rid of any cups. When I say any, don't judge. Oh, that was the other one, vanilla cookies. And I'm going to take the food waste out. I won't open this because, trust me, you don't want to see in there. So next up, I'm going to wash up anything that I've collected from around the house. And then I'm going to give this a good wash. It is so grim. Oh. Then I'm going to pour out some of the water into this bin just to start giving this one a good rinse. Oh. So as you can see, the washing up water is now in this bin, and I'm going to add some bleach just down all the sides. I think this needs a bit. Wow. So next up, I'm going to light a couple of candles. I'm going to leave this one burning in the kitchen. I'll put this one on the stairs so that it makes the whole house smell nice. So next up, I'm going to strip the bed, ow, which I've just walked into. My shin's fine, and yeah, I like to put a wash on while I'm cleaning, so it's the perfect time to do it. And I'm not going to show you too much of the bedroom because I'm halfway through a bedroom makeover which will be coming for you in January. So while the wash is on, I'm now in the bathroom, so I'm going to get rid of this lot, which is now dried, and then what we're going to do, we're going to clean the bath. Then I'm going to give it a quick spray everywhere where there's limescale with the Vical. And this is my playlist of choice. say, I am doing a makeover of the bedroom, so this is going to be just a very quick tidy up, and I'm just going to wipe down all the surfaces with a damp cloth and give the room a quick hoover. I've just added a capful of Zoflora warm cinnamon to my spray bottle with some warm water in it.
Christmas lights are all around. I can see them now. It's like they spell your name. It's insane. Now we're back here once again. Holidays and cheer. But now I got my eye set on you. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow. I've been trying to tell you in every way, but now I'll get it done. I'm not going away. And right around the mistletoe, I'm gonna let my feelings show. Always got you on my mind, but I know this time you're on top of my list. Only wish. And as we decorate the tree, only you and me.
Right, final push. It's emergency time.
I'll be making plans, make you understand. I'm not gonna play it safe. It's going down on Christmas Day. 'Cause I've been trying to tell you in every way. Yeah, I've been trying to show you, but somehow failed. I wanna have someone to hold. Walking through the falling snow.
Be extra careful if you're using bleach that you don't mix it with any other products. Always read the label with any of these cleaning products because some of them can be dangerous. Oh, okay, I think I'm going to call it a day. Well, I've got some other stuff to do now, but I'm going to call the cleaning a day. So I really hope you enjoyed this clean with me for Christmas. If you did, do give the video a little thumbs up. Let me know if you've got any cleaning tips in the comments down below. Hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. And don't forget, you can always catch me over on Instagram, Mr. Carrington and Mr. Carrington Home. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.